Ang inflation for July is 4.4%. Mas mataas compare sa recorded inflation last month na 3.7%. Pero kahit ganun kalaki yung tinaas ng headline inflation, bumaba naman daw yung core inflation from 3.1% last month to 2.9% this month. So bakit mataas ang inflation kung ganun? Ang sinasabing dahilan, yung patuloy na pagtaas ng presyo ng bigas. Based sa article ng Rappler, rice contributed 37.2% of inflation for the month or 1.6 percentage points of the 4.4%. Isa pang sinasabing rason, food security. Kasi last month naka-experience tayo ng mga bagyo at baha. Sabi dito sa article, the government is relentlessly working to address our nation's most pressing concern of ensuring food security for every Filipino amid the faster rise in prices in July and the expected typhoons and rains due to the potential onset of La Nina this August. So kung tumaas ang headline inflation this July, ano kaya mangyayari sa household inflation? Gaano kaya kalaki ang impact ng inflation sa mga gastusin nyo sa bahay? For sure malaki din. Yun lang.